Hello. Are you looking for the evidence and analysis you need when writing about the character Mercutio? Well, look no further. The evidence videos provide you with all the information you need to help you achieve the very highest marks when being asked to explore Mercutio in the play Romeo and Juliet. What we'll do now is run through a plethora of key quotes and analysis that you can include. So let's begin. Prince of Cats. Coined by the character Mercutio, the title indicates a cunning and aggressive nature which is truly apt. It also helps to highlight Mercutio's playful and cynical nature. The name Mercutio sounds like the word mercurial, meaning volatile. He is a character who is unafraid of confrontation. Prick love for pricking, and you beat love down. Mercutio sees love as a game, something which can be controlled rather than the other way around. The line, whilst advising Romeo, is full of innuendo, which will not only amuse the audience due to its bawdy nature. The imperative nature of the sentence also indicates that the character is someone who seeks to support Romeo. Despite his use of humour, which is again seen later in the play when he lays his life down for him, this viewpoint also strongly contrasts the courtly love traditions employed by Romeo. A plague on both your houses. Arguably one of the most famous lines of the play. Before his death, the character condemns both families to a plague, a biblical-like punishment in terms of the severity of it. And this obviously foreshadows the death of the protagonists. No, 'tis not so deep as a well, nor so wide as a church door, but 'tis enough, 'twill serve. Ask me tomorrow, and you shall find me a grave man. Just before his death, the character is still using puns, as the adjective grave not only links to death, but the idea of being serious or more stern. He will no longer be the person he once was. The church door not only bluntly indicates that the wound is not huge, but links to the notion of God and therefore heaven. Dreamers often lie. Mercutio refutes Romeo's view that his feelings for Rosalind is love. The noun dreamer indicates that Mercutio feels he is not connected to reality and is even so blunt as to suggest that Romeo's feelings are false lie. This is not only highlighting the strength of friendship the two of them have, hence Mercutio's defence of Romeo and then Romeo's defence of Mercutio by murdering Tybalt, but also foreshadows the change of opinion by Romeo upon seeing Juliet. So there is a great selection of key evidence and analysis which will help you achieve the very highest marks in your essays. It's up to you to learn them and use them. So good luck.